Aren't they right here? Query. You could have saved that. That's fine. Shall I type quickly? Okay. So there are few tables first we have you. OER direct column. Rest of the columns I'm not taking. I think this is our order number. See, we created. Today only we created 70427. Take a creation date and arrange in a sorting order. That's it. This is not required for us. There are two more table have yours. WHH, delivery details, join condition, OH dot primary
Header ID.
right is equivalent to WDD.
WDD dot source header ID.
Perfect. Next. There is another in this we have to use
Line released.
make sure alias name always, don't ignore. R means priority release. Format this. Then one more table WHH.
Delivery assignments.
Perfect. Join condition. Primary key of first table.
Source header.
So
Delivery detail ID. Okay.
Okay. WDD dot join condition is primary key only. This
Delivery detail ID.
right. Okay. So in this we need to check here delivery ID column. Delivery ID column, what is the value of it? As of now, we haven't delivered anything, correct? Obviously, the value will be here.
Null.
Nothing. So this is the way we can prepare query. It's hardly 1 minute job, right? 1 or 2 minute job. You can type it. So now continue with this.
Sir, if you want to save, is there any shortcut to save in Toad?
This query.
Yeah.
So there is a named SQL option available here. Named SQL. Somewhere here you can see. Okay.
Okay.
Named SQL. And if you want to get back, then you can use Control N like this. So you can
Okay,
use regularly.
FPI it means to check history. If you want to get back our query means Control
N.
N. Okay.
Okay. Control N will give you named SQLs. Now F11. Go to line items. And the value is awaiting checking here. 2 steps completed as of now. Correct. They are not safe. First is order entry. The second is. So I hope you are okay with all the steps, correct? Now next is pick release. Pick release means here delivery people will pick up the goods and they will pack it. Take this number. Navigation is shipping, release sales order, release sales order. Click on this. You have to remove all these dates, everything. That's why there was a rule here, standard rule. Based on rule is standard. Order number, inventory, packing instructions if you want to get else. Then execute now. Okay. Now the same query, if you fire, the values will change. So I'm just using. The moment you press Control Enter, delivery ID will be generated and release status will change it to Y. That's it. This is Y. Do you see? Y delivery ID is generated. And another table we have seen earlier, that is WSH new deliveries. Okay. The giant condition is delivery ID only. Delivery ID. But we wanted here status code from WND. Status code. This is OP. OP means open for shipping.
So here pop-up is automatically getting or else is any shortcut?
Which one? Control Enter we have to use. Control Enter. For every execution we have to use Control Enter.
No,
Okay.
no. After WND dot status, right?
Yeah, automatically it will come. If you press dot, you have to just leave for a few seconds like this.
Okay.
Status code like this. You can avoid typing, okay? And not only that, you can use double click also. For example, I need this particular column name. Double click. Place the cursor, double click. It's copied. And in the same way, status code. Okay, just double click like this. Typing you can avoid. It's good actually. You'll automatically go to the editor. Clear? OP means open for shipping here. Now, next step for today, last step for today, that is shipping. So in order to cache, actually 4 steps successfully completed. There are 3 more steps pending, but there are so many scenarios, cross questions, and you need to know functionality and all. But major steps are these 4. So go to shipping here. Here, shipping. The another one here, transactions. Shipping and transactions. Only one single order here. You can ship between the range also. Okay, click on find. Go to delivery tab. Ship confirm here. In some cases, delivery tab will not appear. If you are trying from your own user, you need to give a grants, shipping grants. I'll tell you that. Okay. You will get a message saying that your delivery was successfully confirmed. Now go here. So as of now, whatever the values are there, all will change. Awaiting shipping will change it to shipped here. and release status will change it to C and OP to CL. 3 values it will change. So now let me query simply. I'm not doing anything, simply I'm querying here. Do you see here? C and CL awaiting shipping. Why it is still showing is some programs are running here. Some programs are running. This program is running. After finishing this program only, you can see the status has shipped here. Like this. Shipped C and then CL.
CL means close, huh?
CL means closed. Okay. So can we revise everything again in this notepad or Excel sheet so that you can easily come to know? So today class is completed. It's just a revision, guys. I'm expecting from you only. So at order entry level, how many tables you have seen here? One is OE order errors on.
OE order lines are.
OE order lines.
Now the primary key of this particular table.
Header ID.
Join between these two tables. Okay. We are checking header status, or we can say status. Which column we need to check?
Header.
Name is flow.
Flow status.
What is the value of it? Very first time, what is the value? Yeah.
Entered.
And here. So till now, only first step only. Right. Let's revise in the application also, if you want. Go to order returns, sales. I'm creating a new order for you for revision. Okay. Two tables, correct? Order address all, OE order lines. So I'm not using this query. I'm preparing a new one so that you can easily understand. Okay. Select. Just hardly 5 minutes revision, guys. Bear with me. What we need to check here? Column names.
Flow status code.
Then order. That's it. Enter. So first step is, I hope you are okay. Now, second one, booking. So booking here only, book order. So the moment you book, you click on book order, other than two tables, there are other warehouse tables also will come into the picture, correct? Click on this. go to line items. It will change it to awaiting shipping here and go to actions here, additional line information, delivery step, ready to release. Clear? Now execute this. Booked and awaiting shipping. The release status you wanted. Right? So how we can identify the shipping tables? Go to diagnostics, examine, system, last there. You can see this WSS properties. Describing command F4 script here. There are various tables here we have to check. That is these three. Out of these three, first only we'll check these two. Delivery assignments and delivery details. The join condition is delivery detail ID. And if you want to join with the delivery details, source header ID is the join. Okay. So I'm adding one more table, that is WSH, means warehouse delivery details. Whenever you add a table, you have to add join. Don't fail. Okay. And don't go with another table without adding a join. Tell me the join. Order.
OH dot header ID.
Correct.
WDD dot delivery.
No. That is
Source header ID.
right. Correct. Okay. And which column I need to see? Release status, correct?
Mm.
R. And one more table, that is WSH delivery
Assignments.
join condition. If you
WDD dot.
no need to worry. You just come here. Right. Join condition. WDD dot primary key. Delivery.
Detail.
Right. Yes. WDA dot. Same one.
Delivery detail ID.
And what you are checking here? Column name. Delivery. What will be the value of it? Null. Okay. So at the time of booking, two more additional tables we have to check. Fill the Excel sheet now. You tell me. So as it is, I am giving. Next. The two tables, WSH,
Delivery details.
primary key of it, delivery detail ID, and source header ID is the join. Column name released. Value of it is R. R means perfect. WSH delivery.
Assignments.
Okay, primary key. We don't know primary key. Okay, just go to ETRM. Here also you can search WSH. This is a primary. Okay, primary. Any confusion? Join conditional, delivery detail ID. Then there is a value right here, that is delivery ID. That is equivalent to the value is null. Oh, 5 minutes. The value is here null. Column name is delivery ID. Any confusion? Okay. Then we have to do a pick release and shipping. So what we can do, tomorrow we'll revise. Anyway, we need to revise. Fine. I need to add one more table, that is WSH new deliveries. The status code is happy. So simply I'm adding here. Yeah, proceed. WSH new deliveries. WND. Join condition will be able to tell me. WDA dot delivery.
Assignment ID.
Delivery ID.
Delivery ID.
That is called the WND dot delivery ID. That's it. And we need to look one status, that is WND dot status code. So we haven't done right, that's why it is not giving, but anyway, we'll do the step. Pick release, if you do it, it will give you the data. So how to do a status pick release? Go to order returns. Sorry, not order returns, shipping. Right. I need to take here standard.
Yes.
Execute now. It will submit a couple of concurrent programs automatically. You can check the program names like this. Okay, these three programs later, whenever it completes, you can check the output here. Okay, meantime, what we can do, we can fire the same query. It's giving OP and status is Y. Earlier it was R. Now one final step pending is, that is shipping. So how to do shipping? Shipping, and one more is transactions. We revised n number of times, guys. Don't feel subject is too tough. We have to spend time. That's it. Go to delivery tab, ship confirm. Okay. Click on OK. Now, what could be the changes here? OP will become CL.
Close.
Yeah. Y will become C.
P.
Awaiting shipping it to
Shipped.
shipped here. Yes, search. Correct. And see the status of your sales order. Order returns, sales orders. Go to line items here. You will see the statuses. Same thing only you are seeing here. Line level. And go to actions here, additional line information, deliveries, you can see. This is the shipped status. Earlier it was open, now it is closed. Everything is zero. In O2C, half of the cycle is over, guys. But in the next class, what we can do, we'll create an invoice, receipt, and create account, and then transfer to zero. These are all the 4 steps are pending. Okay. Invoice, receipt, create account. Another 2 classes will take because we need to cover other scenarios as well. Okay. So these 4 you have to practice today. Spend time. And in the Excel sheet, I no need to type it. Correct. All simply. So are there any changes in headers or lines? So no need to check. Here, release status, what is the value? Instead of R, it will be Y, correct?
A new table you also will add, right?
Right, we have there. Great. New table, what is the new table name?
New delivery details.
Okay. Column name, status code, right?
Data,
Value, OP.
OP.
This two, this two. And one more line level also. We are awaiting shipping, right? The assignment already created, not yet. Tell me OP will become CL here
CL.
and awaiting shipping into
Shipped.
an Excel sheet also revision is over. Okay. Spend whole day today. Definitely you can get.
So
Thank
if you don't mind, can you send this Excel sheet in group once?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah. And daily we can revise in this sheet only, so total OTC will be in this only.
Yes, okay.
Mm.
Okay, today 2 videos you can find. I may need to add you into the app actually. So app access I'll give you today. Any doubts guys before closing?
Today also same time I'm practicing 2 o'clock.
Yes, daily it is like that only. Okay.
Okay.
Even if I am not available also, you guys need to have a combined practice.
Okay, okay.
I'm closing the session. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So we'll have SQL class today. After this, you will get to know the updates from the group. Any doubts guys here?
No, sir. I said.